This is the Bungee Effect and how to use it in After Effects. Start by creating a shape layer in your composition with the Polygon tool and drag it while holding Shift at the same time to create a perfect shape. You then want to align it in the middle, horizontally and vertically. Next, go to the Effects and Presets and search for Bungee. And the first effect we will apply is the Bungee In. And you can just hold and drag it at the same time over the shape layer and let it go. Then to center the anchor, you can hold Ctrl Alt Home, and if you want to have a look on the animation, hit spacebar. Then we can tweak the settings a little bit. We can go into duration, we can change it to a higher number, and the higher the number we use, the longer time the animation will take. We can also choose to change the bounces, and we can change the direction of the animation from up and down and even to right and left. You also have the options to change the settings within the transform, the anchor point, scaling, skewing and rotation. You can change the shutter angle from 0 to 360 depending on how much motion blur you like. The higher number, the higher the motion blur. And you can change the sampling to bicubic or bilinear. In this example we will use bicubic, but normally the bilinear one will be the best for animation. Next, mark the shape layer and hit S on your keyboard to bring up the scale. You want to create the first keyframe at the very beginning of the animation and change that to 0%. Move forward a little bit and change that to 150%. Or perhaps 140 could be a bit better. Move forward a little bit and put the last keyframe for 100%. Then we will mark all the keyframes and hit F9 to ease the keyframes a little bit. This means that the animation will go a bit slower in the beginning and the end of each keyframe. As we can't apply the next effect directly into the shape layer, we will create an adjustment layer. To do this, right click in the timeline, choose New and then Adjustment Layer. Mark the adjustment layer, hit Enter and change the name to Bungee In. Then as a good habit, we will also change the second layer, the shape layer 1, and this we can name to Polygon Shape. Choose the top layer, the Bungee Out as the adjustment layer, go to Effects and Presets, and now we will choose the Bungee Out effect. Drag and drop the effect over the adjustment layer, and then finally, if you want to tweak the settings a little bit, you can do that. We will change the bounces here from 2 to 1, and then hit spacebar, and this is your final animation.